My special incense. Hopefully, we could get a bird, a galarin bird. So here we go. First, a quillfish. Let's see if we get good IVs on this thing. Oh shoot, I suck. Yeah. No quillfish. Probably was a hundo, to be honest. I'm trying to get these eggs hatched, so hopefully they hatch. And I'm going to try to get a Corsola that I don't have. I think it's a different version because I have Corsola. I have Corsola. I think it's the other version of Corsola. And Rufflet, no shiny. Pops out, runs away like everything else. You know, a Lunatone, a great. No good IVs. Starry. There's a event for this. Not really an event, but you gotta get to Star Raptor. So I'm going to get extra candy from him. At least try to. And hopefully I'll be able to evolve him. And all I have to do is get the galarin. Growler. Fish. Great throw with a great ball. The IVs are horrible. Let's catch this Rufflet. Great. IVs, sucky. Let's get this research. Tyrant? Hopefully it's a hundo. Great throw. Bang. Pretty good IVs. Shiny? No, but a Darmuka looks it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bottom? IVs? No. Horrible. I will be making a video on the where is it?
Uma noite convocou, talvez senta o popô. Uma noite convocou, talvez senta o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapo. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Uma noite convocou, talvez senta o popô. Uma noite convocou, talvez senta o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. O mano te convocou, o mano é sem amor. O mano te convocou, o mano é sem amor. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. O mano te convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. O mano te convocou, o mano é sem amor. O mano te convocou, o mano é sem amor. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor.
I need 0.2 kilometers. So let's get some Pokemon. Hopefully we can get a galarin bird. If it's shiny, I'm going to use my Master Ball if we ever get a shiny one. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try to use it on Community Day, because that'd be if I got one, that'd probably be a great time to use my Master Ball on a shiny galarin bird on Community Day. Excellent. I need to get 10 excellents. That's 9 of them. I mean, that's one of them. To evolve my Farfetch'd. Maybe you could do it here in this video.
Tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Menina safadinha, arreta.
The last time I got a galarin bird was back when it first started. I haven't seen one since. So, if you got any tips on how to find more galarin birds, tell me in the comments. And if you got any video ideas, also put that in the comments if you want me to do anything. And here we go. A bird might. Come on. Come on. 2, 3, there we go.
Lá tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Menina safadinha, arreta esse popô. Vai,
almost a 0-0. Psyduck? I gotta hatch 3 eggs for a quest fun. right over here. I have 0. So, and I have 1 over here. Egg. What's it gonna get? Sui and Voltorb. 15, 15, 14. Great idea. 3 rewards. Great balls. Perfect. Oddish? Yeah. Like I said in another video, if you want me to come up your Pokemon Go friend, if you have Pokemon Go, just put it in the comments and I'll invite you. Panfor, water. IVs, sucky. No. I only need 23 Candace, and then I could evolve all the way. And then there's the Raptor. I need 26. So hopefully we can get some Zubats and Starries. Or a Staraptor or a Crobat so that we could get extra candies. And a Petlo. Let's go ahead and put this in an incubator. A wild Machamp. No, I'm not using Master Ball quite yet. Excellent. Bang. Machamp was caught. Horrible IVs. Deerling. I don't think I had the green one. Got it? It's okay. Tranquil. Sorry for the bad internet. I had to go out and go back in because the internet is horrible. But let's see if we got it in the recent. Program. If it was a little bit further, I would have hit the excellent. Horrible IVs. Let's see if we got him. No. Did not catch me. This is my most recent shiny. Trying to get the final evolution. Don't have them yet. Eggs are doing pretty good. Spiro. Got Spiro. The God Badoo. Got it. And there's a Rua. Or maybe a Farfetch'd. I'm gonna use a berry. Did an excellent? Nope. 2, 3, there we go. Who's Zorua? Hopefully it's a Hisui. There it is. Good IVs? No. If I get a good IV Zorua in 12 minutes, I will evolve it. If I get 2 good IV Zoruas, I will evolve it. And it'll be my first Hisuian Zorua. Rufflet. Bang. IVs. 11, 11, 11. Sneasel. I need both of their evolutions, the Hisuian one and the regular one. So let's use pineapple berries. Sorry for the bad internet.
I dreamt about it my whole life, cause we ain't never had shit. Put that work in out of sight, I swear you couldn't doubt the passion.
Bang.
Took a lot of lessons, felt that pain, I paid my dues. Decided I need my Aretha. Looked to God to see it through. Yeah, I've been laughed at, spat on, kicked back, cast out, slept on like mattress must be cozy in that glass house. Lost a lot of blood along the way, just check the route. Me and my brothers turned that road into a river red and blue.
Community Day comes out.
We here! We here! New era! You heard it! New era! Let's go!
200 candies.
J, 1% better every day.
I'm yelling rock.
I don't even have 200. Sheep. I want a shiny one. Dang. Fancy candy and a Lunatone. Great throw. Had to go back out and in because that internet again.
I was on a park, I do throw it. He's a fraction of the script. Tape on side color, not the side that.
Hopefully we don't have to go back and
yes, ooh, feel the through. And don't people think it's true. Dance slowly all the night.
Yeah?
Show my blood eyes.
Larvitar. A great throw. Let's check on the eggs. Pretty good. Stewie and Voltorb. There it is. Magikarp. Oh, would have been a great shiny. Magikarp, by the way, was my first ever shiny. I still have it. It was 17 CP. Around there. Right here. Actually, no. That one was my first ever shiny. Oh. Yeah. 5 more minutes to get a bird. Can we do it? Ooh, primate. Keep trying to hit the master ball. I need more primate candy. You know what? I get this from... Never mind, I can't do it. Savage season, but it's a great one. And I'll accidentally... Bang. There's a Farfetch. Bang. Good Zero, maybe? And I'll evolve it. Ooh, a Sneasel.
This is how legends are made.
Bang. At the end of the video, I will evolve the Sneasel into a new Pokemon that I don't have.
This is how legends
Our
are
boat.
made. I'm cranking up on the throttle. Victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've
I don't have any more poaches. Maybe a good one?
I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is
Not
how
good ideas.
legends are made.
Check on the eggs. You know what? Let's go ahead and do the
This
Sneasel.
is how legends are
Here's the Sneasel. That's not a Sneasel, that's an Ivy. Here you go. Into the decks. Bang. Weavile. First Weavile. Minute left? Zubat. This is great. Great, bad lag. Perfect. Please catch. There we go. A little bit more. Eesh. Bang. Goldfish? Bang. Good focus. There we go. 31 Pokemon. And if you get this field research, banana berries. That's it. See you in the next video. Please sub. Peace.
Down, down.
Promise you you'll catch